Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and share a much requested video with all of you guys. So today I will finally share my Club Factory haul video as well as my experience with the Club Factory shopping app. I will let you guys know what all I faced while shopping through Club Factory, my honest experience, and also give you guys some tips which could help you to shop from Club Factory app in case you wish to. So if you want to know what are the products I bought from the Club Factory app and what was my shopping experience was like, then please keep on watching. The very first thing I'm going to start off is by talking about the Club Factory app, and then I'm going to move on to the products I have purchased from Club Factory. So first of all, Club Factory is itself not a company name, neither a brand name. It is the name of a shopping app. Now, if you want to know what is the difference between Club Factory and other online website, then Club Factory actually brings you product directly from the factory sites. So the products worth much less because the price you pay for each of the product are based on the factory price, not the market price. Because when the market price is given to a product, it includes a lot more variant and factors. So it is considerably more than the actual product cost, which is the factory price. So through the Club Factory app, you can go ahead and grab all this product at a really low price rate. In Club Factory app, you can compare the price of various products in various renowned websites starting from eBay to wish.com, which actually informs you the price of the product on those particular site and in Club Factory. So you can understand how much you are paying and how much profit you are earning purchasing from that particular site. First of all, the price are really good. Second of all, until now my experience with this app has been really nice. I have not received any product which is of inferior quality. Just to let you guys know that when you are shopping anything online, you need to understand that there is always a risk involved. Sometimes it might happen you order a product, it might look different online, but it might look different when you receive it in your hand. This happens a lot, especially in items like, you know, color of a product or the size of a product. Our factory does have a customer care service. Now they do not have any contact number, but they do have a chatting app, and I found a really good service from them because one of my order was delayed. Another order had certain status which I failed to somehow crack that what it means, but they have been really nice and helpful. And I'm showing you my profile from Club Factory, and you can see how nicely all the issue has been resolved by them efficiently. They usually get back to you with your query within 24 hours, so that is quite well. But the only problem is that you cannot talk to them, you need to chat with them. But yes, they are efficient enough to solve your queries in case of any doubts or problem. Now the next thing I'd like to say is about refunds. So I did opt in for a refund of a product because the product got sold out after I placed the order. Somehow they were out of stock, so they did refund my money properly and they refunded the amount directly to my Club Factory account. Now I'm not sure if they refund back to your bank account or not, so for that I will suggest you that you speak to customer care once before placing any order. Club Factory does take a bit of time to deliver your order. Now I will tell you the reason behind it. It is because they do not send out your order in scattered form. What they do, they collect all the orders together in their distribution center, and once they receive the order together, they pack it and send it to you. So one way, even it is slightly late, it's still good because it will be not like receiving one product today, another product after 10 days, another product after 15 days. No matter, even if you receive it after 20 days, but still you will receive all of them together at a time. So that is what I want to talk about, the basic things about the Club Factory app. And now I'm going to go ahead and quickly share with you the product which I purchased from that app, and then I'm going to share with you some tips which you can keep in your mind if you are shopping from Club Factory. So let's go ahead and quickly check out the products I purchased now because I am super excited about those. The very first product I bought is of course a Snickers because they have some amazing shoes there. Amazing and very chic pair of white kickers, and these are perfect for my gym and they are really soft and comfortable. This red detail out here which gives a very different bright look over this monotone white, which is amazing. So I have been planning to buy a dungaree skirt for such a long time. I bought this denim dungaree skirt for me. It looks very cute. The material is really good, and yeah, it has this front pocket detail and it fits well and it has a really good quality. I loved this washed denim look. It looks very casual and nice. Of course, you're gonna see a clip now where you can see wearing me this and you can see how nicely it fits me, and I totally love it. Next clothing item I bought is actually an item for winters, and I know winter is gone, but I ordered it around December and I'm doing the haul pretty late, so I'm sorry for that. Extremely cute crop hoodie. I so love this hoodie. Just look at this. It says flawless on the front area and it looks so cute. This is how it looks and it looks so pretty. The quality is so soft and mushy, and of course it feels warm. I found some amazing quality wig in Club Factory. Of course, hair wig with front fringes, and this is such a good quality wig. I can perfectly comb this, go ahead and set this up in the way I want to, and it works perfectly nice. It feels so soft. The worst thing about a wig is that sometimes a wig might make you feel really itchy, or they might be too heavy because wig has its own weight, but this wig are not that uncomfortable. They did not cause any sort of itchiness on my head. Plus they come with their own wig cap, which is amazing because I did not have to buy another one from the market. So this one is actually a longer hair wig, and this one almost like a front fringe and a very beautiful long hair wig. So you get in different colors like light brown, black or brown. So instead of going black, I just prefer the deep brown. It is more subtle, and light brown, I'm not sure how light it will be. So yes, this goes really well. Very soft, very nice. This one, beautiful and gorgeous choker. Do you see it? How gorgeous this looks. It's such a beautiful stone studded choker. I think it was priced around rupees 165. I think I would be happy to pay around more than 200 or 300 for this one because the quality is amazing. Another choker, and I so love it. It is this tribal style choker. It is so pretty. Look at this. It has this beautiful turquoise stone here, and it is so chic. I think it will look absolutely trendy with any sort of Indo-Western outfit or Western outfit or Indian outfit, anything of your choice. So I bought this really cutesy thumb rings. I'm going to show you and insert a picture of this one because you cannot see them like this, or I will insert a clip. You can see how they look. So these are like really nice, beautiful finger rings and thumb rings which cost around 85 rupees or 97 rupees, all within 100. So amazing, because I've seen the price of this one in other website. They are like 299 to 350. So 87 rupees against 299, same quality. Yay! Who won't buy it? One is this statement neck piece. It is this beautiful stone statement neck piece which looks so pretty with any sort of dress or anything. I think this is such a pretty one. I love the blue stone. It sort of reminded me like the heart of the ocean in Titanic. I don't know, I went a bit filmy, but I so loved this royal blue stones. It looked so classy and beautiful, so I bought this one. I will share some of the tips which might not only help you for Club Factory. First thing I'm going to talk about is look out for reviews. There are so many products on Club Factory, but you will find that some of the product has review, rather most of the product have review. So go through the reviews because it can give you some amount of idea whether people liked the product, and if there is any particular thing you need to know. Most of the time people mention that in the comment. If you are buying products like earring and colors, keep in mind the fact that in certain light a color might look a little different, but in certain times a earring might look slightly bigger if the picture taken is closed focus. So if you're purchasing a earring, try to find out pictures where someone is flaunting the earring, or maybe the earring is on some mannequin, or maybe hung on a coffee mug, so that you can understand the size of the earring. It will be a risk because you cannot really say how long or how big or how small is it. Now the final thing, I've seen that some of the products are a bit wrongly represented. Means there might be a picture of 2 to 3 product in one set, but is some description about the product quantity and everything below, and you will find they will tell you exactly how many they will send you. For example, there could be a picture of 3 baskets, jewelry pieces at one, but of different colors. So you might mistake that, you know, the price of 50 rupees or 100 rupees, they're sending me 3 piece, but no, maybe they're just showing the 3 piece, but they will be sending you one. So be a bit careful of such misguided pictures. Usually go for the details in the description. I miss that out because I've seen that in the description they generally mention, you know, customer care and get it resolved. Tell them that how you have been misguided, and they will help you out, I'm sure, because they help me out in my query. Of course, I'm going to shop more, and in case I have any sort of bad experience, I will share that as well, but still now it has been good. So yes, that is pretty much. I won't be rambling any further. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit the like button.